we are going to talk about an advanced equipment called automated external defibrillator, in short form AED. So in this presentation we are going to understand what are all the cardiovascular diseases at present and what are all the main cause for sudden cardiac arrest, how to save a person if suddenly collapsed due to sudden cardiac arrest. First, let us understand what are all the cardiovascular diseases, major cardiovascular diseases, because these are considered as non-communicable diseases. We will not get any symptoms, right? Maybe after 40, after 60, we might have heard about heart attack, and other thing is stroke, and nowadays we are talking about cardiac arrest. So what is the main difference between these three? Cardiac arrest is nothing but the low flow or block in the blood vein. See, if a person is working very hard and he is not taking care of himself, in his blood vein there may be accumulation of cholesterol or maybe whatever things, the blood flow will get reduced. But the heart will try to maintain the blood flow when the heart is under stress. So it is giving his maximum to maintain the flow. The person will get chest pain at the left side. It is called a heart attack. In this heart attack stage, the person will be conscious. 90% he will be at conscious, and he can able to communicate, and he can call someone for help. Stroke is nothing but a sudden blood flow stop to the brain. See, very important and peculiar with the brain is, if the brain is not getting oxygen for more than 3 to 4 minutes, the brain cell will die. It will not regenerate. So that is the problem. So stroke is also one of the very, very risky cardiovascular diseases. Then coming to the cardiac arrest, we used to call sudden cardiac arrest. Sudden cardiac arrest is a very, very peculiar thing. A person may look like normal, but suddenly he will collapse, and there is no pulse and there is no breathing. So this stage is called sudden cardiac arrest. There are many causes for sudden cardiac arrest. Now I am going to talk about the three major causes for sudden cardiac arrest. The first cause is one electrocution, electric shock. It mainly happened in the industries. So when a person working with electricity, unfortunately or by mistake, he touches the live wire, electricity passes through the person's body. So when the electricity passes through the heart, it will change the heart rhythm. Second is sudden impact. This mainly happens with the boxing, or some vehicle has hit on the person at the chest, or someone is given one punch. So these are sudden impact on the chest area. Third most very important and critical reason is high stress and emotion. Whoever having the negative emotion and undergone lot of stress, and he will not be disciplined in his life. So he will have a bad habit like smoking and alcohol. He will not take his diet properly. So they are vulnerable to get sudden cardiac arrest. There are a lot of things how to prevent sudden cardiac arrest. It's a very big subject. You have to be with a perfect diet, and we should do the proper exercise, and we should keep our emotion under control, right? Okay, now let us deeply understand how the rhythm will change. So this is very important, why we have to attend the sudden cardiac arrest affected person immediately. See, normally we know very well our heart rhythm is loved up rhythm. So in a non-technically we used to call loved up rhythm is nothing but the healthy ECG. When the normal loved up rhythm changed to a vibration rhythm, it is called ventricular fibrillation. You can see in the slide. So there is sudden change in the ECG. See, as soon as it changes the rhythm to ventricular fibrillation, the heart will vibrate, but it will not support for the blood flow. So what will happen? This condition will remain for 7 to 8 minutes or even 9 minutes, depends on that patient physiology condition. So at one time the heart totally stop. Normal heart rhythm will change to the ventricular fibrillation rhythm. What it is? So this is the perfect normal heart rhythm we understand, like loved up rhythm. After electric shock or sudden impact or the high stress, it will change to the ventricular fibrillation rhythm. Once the heart changes to this VFib rhythm, the person will collapse immediately. If you go and check the person, he will not have the pulse and he will not have his breathing also. So this is very critical stage. So now we are going to talk about how to face sudden cardiac arrest and how to save a person. See, there are two approved effective way to save a person from sudden cardiac arrest. The first one is CPR, and most of you familiar with this term, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is the method of compressing the heart and giving mouth-to-mouth respiration to activate both heart and lungs. It saved many lives across the world. But the problem is here, the quality of CPR decide the person recovery. If a person, he may know very well theoretically about CPR, but if he is not practically implementing on the field, on the crisis situation, and saving the person is very, very remote. Even though CPR is a good one, it depends on the quality, who give the CPR and how he so give the CPR. Right? Defibrillation. Wow. So this is the one fantastic one. It have a lot of advantage. It saves time and there is no much process required in it. Anyone with a little training, non-medical profession can do this defibrillation perfectly by using the AED. What it is going to do, it is going to activate the heart by external electrical pulse. Maybe non-technically we can call electric shock. So these are the two important things are available to save a person from sudden cardiac arrest. One is CPR, other is defibrillation. It is the risk level chart of sudden cardiac arrest. If a patient is get attention immediately within 1 or 2 minutes, the chance of survival is 80%. If the time delayed 4 minutes, only 60% chance, and 5 minutes, only 50% chance. If a sudden cardiac arrest affected person got attention or got some action after 7 minutes or 8 minutes, the chance for survival is very, very less than 20%. That is why we need advanced equipment. That is why we need to know about the equipment and how to use it properly. So this is the equipment PowerHeart G5, one of the best fantastic AED across the globe. This is manufactured by Cardiac Science. Is one of the pioneer in manufacturing life-saving devices, and this is very simple equipment and it has got all technological advancement. One is it will give a fast shock times, means once you switch on the equipment within 10 seconds it will get to the activation stage. Other thing is variable escalation energy. None of the AED in the market have this facility, so these features. What is mean by variable escalation energy? See, this equipment, this AED decide increase the shock level based on the person requirement. Maybe a lean person or maybe obese person, so depends on his need. This intellectual equipment will decide and it will increase the shock level. Example, first shock if it is 140 joules and if required it will increase to 250 joules in the next shock. So it is that much intellectual equipment. AED having a 3 important key parts. So one thing is main, obviously the programmed instrument. Other thing is the electrodes, we used to call here is a pad. The electric shock will be transmitted to the person by using this, so by attaching this pad. So this pad is a non-polarized pad, so you can paste at any point, so across the heart, so you will get to know in a further slide. So this AED pad is having a lifetime of 2 years, shelf life of 2 years. It will come with some adhesive property because the adhesive is very, very important to transmit the electrical energy to the person heart. And the third is medical grade battery, because being a life-saving device, so we can't use ordinary battery, because at the time of electrical shock you should give steady and right intensity level, so which ordinary battery can't do perfectly. So this is the medical grade battery and manufactured exclusively for this equipment. So this is having a lifetime of 4 years. Once you open the lid with a gentle press, it will get automatically open and simultaneously it will get switched on. So not even a single seconds getting wasted. That is the one advantage. And you can see the expiry date of a pad in the front panel, and most importantly you can see left side down, it is called a rescue ready indicator. So when the AED is with the green indication, it means it is ready to save a person's life. This is the new advanced features in the generation 5 equipment, and here in the display you can get to know a lot of communications, lot of information. This display will show how many number of shocks was delivered, and it will also give the display text. So when a person operating the equipment to save a person, it will give the voice prompt like step 1 do this, step 2 do this, step 3 do this. So with the voice prompt, in case the voice prompt is not audible to the person, to the rescuer, it will also show in the text form whatever the steps it voice. Okay, so that he can easily follow the steps and he can save the person. And if you look at the left side down, it will give the battery indication very perfectly. So as like our mobile phone battery indicator, it shows there are 5 points. Even see, all the 5 points are green color, the battery is full. If the last point, if it is in red color also, still it can give 10 shocks. If you took right side down, there is a 2 indicators. One is that a pad. Okay, so it is defibrillator pad indicator. It should be green. Last down is a service indicator. In case something goes wrong inside the equipment or some other malfunction, it will show red color. In a single display panel, you will get to know all history of the equipment. Now coming to the steps. What are all the steps we have to do and what are the things we have to follow? Only thing, we should not get panic. See what you have to do, we have to make the patient lie down on the floor and remove the shirt, and we have to connect the AED with the person. So how to do this? We have to open the shirt of the person. In the bare chest, we have to connect the AED. How? We have to connect the AED through the pad. See, as shown in the picture, one should be pasted on the top right side and other should be pasted on the down left side. So as shown in the picture. Okay, so now the AED is connected across the heart. If it is not pasted properly, don't worry, the equipment will give a voice prompt that the pad is not pasted properly. So then you have to readjust it. It is that much intelligent equipment. Once attach the pad properly, it start ECG analysis and it will show do not touch the patient, that all the voice prompt will come. What are all the 6 steps we have to understand? The first step one is we have to prepare the patient. What is mean by it is patient preparation? We should make them to in a comfortable place and remove the shirt and make his bare chest open. And step 2, and place the pad properly to connect the heart across the equipment. That's it. So our job is over. Then step 3 will be taken care by the AED. It will automatically analyze the ECG. After analyzing the ECG or doing during the ECG analysis, we are not supposed to touch the patient body. This equipment will give voice prompt. Don't touch the person analyzing the rhythm. So when you heard this, when you read this, you are not supposed to touch the patient body. Then after ECG analysis, if shock required, it will deliver the shock properly, and it will, if required, it will go to the CPR mode, step number 5. So once shock delivered, it will give a voice prompt, shock delivered, now it is safe to touch the patient. Okay, then if the equipment is going for shock number 2, then it will give a voice prompt. If it is not, it will go to the CPR mode. In CPR mode, what the instrument is going to do? See, CPR manually we have to do, right? But this instrument will help you to count 30 compression. It will give a beep sound, beep, 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 in a programmed intervals, and it will also give a time for mouth to mouth respiration. So the 30 time compression and 2 time mouth to mouth respiration, this equipment will guide the person. That is step number 5. And step number 6, that is post rescue, means while we are doing the AED or once you took the action, you have to communicate with someone to call medical team, because we are not the doctor, we are not going to take entire thing. Definitely we need a professional support to save a person completely. So we should take a necessary arrangement after rescue. So hope you understood the importance of the equipment and how simple it is to use by a non-trained or non-medical profession with a little training.
The Cardiac Science PowerHeart G5 AED is a simple and reliable AED provided in both fully automatic and semi-automatic models. The AED switches on as soon as the lid is opened, saving valuable seconds. The AED comes supplied with an IntelliSense battery, defibrillation pads, AED manager software, AED manual, getting started card, and steps to rescue, ensuring the AED is ready to use when needed. A clear rescue ready indicator provides a visual prompt to whether the AED is ready to use. The lithium medical grade battery is capable of delivering between 250 and 300 shocks. The PowerHeart G5 AED has the capacity to escalate the energy delivered in the shock from 95 joules to 345 joules, tailoring the shock to the suitable energy level for the casualty. The AED unit has a 7-year warranty, excluding electrodes and battery.
Stay calm.
The AED provides both on-screen and voice prompts to guide the user through using the
Make
AED.
sure emergency services are called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed. When patient's chest is bare, remove the white square package from lid of AED. Tear open white package across dotted line and remove pads. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tabbed corner. Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on patient's bare chest, exactly as shown on pads. Firmly place the second pad on the other location exactly as shown on pads. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered. It is now safe to touch the patient. Give 30 rapid compressions and 2 breaths as instructed. Place heel of one hand on center of chest between nipples. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Press the patient's chest down rapidly, 1/3 the depth of chest. Then release. Start CPR. Press, 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 press.
So thank you very much for watching this presentation. If you decide to have the equipment, we have 2 special offers, right? So this is the generation 5 equipment, fully automatic equipment, and coming with the new advanced features which will quickly save a person's life, and now we are giving special offers. Hope you are excited to hear this offer. Offer number 1, you can get the AED with a special discount for a packages. Means now AED is available for 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, but for you we can work out special discount with package. What is a package? Instead of 1, you can go for 5 or 10 to your different location, or along with the AED you can go for a spare pad, or there is a AED box also available. So you can have like a package. Definitely you will get a very perfect discount on this one. So this is the first offer we give. If you put your intention right to have the equipment, we are opening other option to you is to rent the AED now with a special price. You can decide if you want to rent for 1 year or 2 year. You can sign the contract with us. We give you very special price, because more than the business, we believe that the life of the people is very important, and if you are the person to bridge the gap, yes, we are here to support from Sarvam Safety to give the equipment on rental, right? And apart from this, you will have all the training session. Whatever you are seeing for the last 20 minutes is a very blueprint, and you will get to know a lot of things in our training session, and it will help them to save, or it will help them to lead their healthy life. Whatever the training session we have related to the defibrillation or the sudden cardiac arrest, we give all the training session as free of cost, as you are our special customer. Thank you very much for listening this presentation. Hope you will take right decision. If you put the intention is right, we are here to support you. Thank you very much. In case of any clarification, you can call us at any time. Thank you very much.